Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a brownie, a delightful treat for any occasion. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Additionally, prepare 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by gently melting your 1/2 cup of butter. Once melted, combine it with the 1 cup of sugar in a large mixing bowl, stirring until well blended. Next, whisk in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually fold in the 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of flour, and the pinch of salt until just combined. Be careful not. Inside, the newer BMW X2 offers substantial technological advancements and improved comfort. You'll find a prominent curved display, integrating a 10.7-inch central infotainment screen and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. This system runs on the latest iDrive operating system 9, providing enhanced connectivity and a more intuitive user experience. The cabin also boasts upgraded materials, increased cargo capacity by about 20%, and approximately 1 inch more knee room for rear passengers. The hardest part is waiting. Once baked, it's crucial to let your brownies cool completely in the pan. This usually takes at least 2 hours, but it's essential for achieving that perfect fudgy texture and preventing them from crumbling when cut. After cooling, slice them into 16 equal squares. You can enjoy them plain or elevate your treat by serving them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade brownies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.